How to convert polyline into 2D polyline and vice versa in AutoCAD. Solution. This feature is controlled by CONVERTPOLY command. It converts lightweight to heavyweight polylines and vice versa. Lightweight polyline is a normal polyline. Heavyweight polyline is a 2D polyline. You can choose heavy or light option under this command to convert. See how it works. First we create one polyline. This is a normal lightweight polyline. Now we convert this to heavyweight 2D polyline. Run CONVERTPOLY command. Select heavy option. Select polyline and press enter. Now you can see this polyline is converted into 2D polyline. Now we convert this 2D polyline to normal polyline. Run CONVERTPOLY command. Select light option. Select 2D polyline and press enter. Here you can see this 2D polyline is converted into polyline. Thanks for watching.